Hello, I'm Anthony Romeo from Chicago, Illinois. Are you ready to take your expertise in shoulder arthroplasty to new depths? On behalf of ArthroX Medical Education, I would like to invite you to join us for an unforgettable experience at the upcoming Arthroplasty Evolutions Course on February 2nd and 3rd in beautiful Naples, Florida. Learn from the best in our field during our insightful didactic sessions, where renowned experts will share their knowledge and latest research. Watch interactive complex case discussions and actively engage with peers, discussing challenging scenarios and exploring innovative solutions. Witness live surgical demonstrations as top surgeons perform the latest in shoulder arthroplasty procedures, sharing their best techniques and best practices. Get hands-on experience in the ArthroX state-of-the-art lab, where you'll improve your skills under the guidance of our lab faculty. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your expertise in shoulder arthroplasty. I'll see you there.